The basic plan is targeted at the optimal support of regulatory mechanisms with the corresponding positive physiological effects. The basic plan is the standard therapeutic application of the Bemer. It is usually carried out twice a day. Both the basic plan and all other application suggestions are based on many years of experience. This experience has also proven that regular applications are more important than the ultimate choice of intensity. Therefore, successful therapy results are achieved quickest using regular applications. The B-pad can be used for program application and application by basic plan. By default, the B-pad setting is high. When using the B-pad for the basic plan, we recommend using the low setting. To adjust the low and high settings of the B-pad, press the Set button that looks like a cog located on the B-box main menu. Then, find and press the High-Low button. When pressed, the button switches from high to low and vice versa. That's it. Once you've changed the high-low settings, the B-pad will default to the new setting selected. To change the high-low setting again in the future, follow the same steps. The basic plan consists of 2 cycles. Cycle 1 is week 1 through 6, which increases from level 1 to level 6. Cycle 2 begins after week 7, which increases from level 3 to level 6 up to week 10. In short, you increase 1 level per week, beginning on level 1. After you get to level 6, you would return to level 3, and increasing each week subsequently, level 3, 4, 5, 6. A detailed explanation. On the first week, it is recommended to begin on level 1 with the plus signal in the morning, and in the evening or afternoon, level 1 without the plus signal. Each week, the individual user will increase by 1 level. In week 2, the individual uses level 2 with the plus and level 2 in the afternoon without the plus. Week 3, level 3. Week 4, level 4. Week 5, level 5. And week 6, level 6. This completes the end of the first cycle. Beginning the second cycle on week 7, the individual user should return to level 3 because the body should not get accustomed to the Bemer effect. So level 3 with the plus signal in the morning and level 3 without the plus signal in the afternoon or evening. Week 8, it should go to level 4. Week 9, level 5. Week 10, level 6. After the end of the second cycle, which is week 10, general levels that are used are between levels 3, 4, 5, and 6. This rotation, increasing each level per week, is used indefinitely.